Hello guys, I am IK and thank you for watching my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock with module number GA-700-4ADR with a module number 5522. So inside the box we got a user guide and a G-Shock International warranty card. The module number of this user guide is 5522 in multi languages. Inside the box we got a standard G-Shock tin box, and inside the box we got our today's new variant of this G-Shock in a red color. So if you can see my previous videos, you can find the same variant in a blue and shiny black and rose gold color. So the features are all the same. However, the color is very premium red. So here you can see the red is in matte black color. The finishing is matte black. This time it's not shiny. With the same features, rigid buttons, 200-meter water resist, mineral glass with the digital and analog dial from inside. And if you can see from inside, the display is also in jet black color. The material is very premium, very tough, very beautiful red color in matte finish. So from the back of the metal plate you can see it's a model GA-700 series, which comes in multi colors. So you can see from my previous videos I have unboxed blue and black color, and this time it's in a red color. So the color combination of black and red is very beautiful. Here you can see the black and the red combinations. And on wearing also it looks very nice, very amazing. With this model GA-700, the dial of this watch is a little bigger than the standard G-Shock watches. However, it looks very nice. So here you can see a comparison of the same model but in different color. So very beautiful and very attractive G-Shock red and black. The price range of this watch is around $150. So hope you like our today's video. So until next time with more variants and more models of G-Shock, signing off. Take care. Bye bye.